Hey, good morning. Hello, Arai. Hey, Ganesh. Hi. Hello, Alpana. Okay, team, the time is 6:29 a.m. and we will be getting started very soon with today's experience session. Yes, we'll be getting started very soon with that. Hey, Megul, hi, nice to see you guys. Very good, very good, very good. Let the game begin. The time right now is 6:30 a.m. and it's the time when you learn, when you grow, when you become the massive person of yourself. Yes. Okay, guys, so it has been great so far. We learned from our own self, we learned from others, and it's the journey is going to just continue. Today we have completed, we are into our 7th day today, guys, and it is like still long way to go, guys, long way to go. And you should look for all these opportunities where you can learn from other people. This is going to give a lot of value and a lot of learning for everybody. Okay, learn from books, learn from people, learn from your experiences, and the more learner of life you become, you will be able to grow and go great, basically. Okay, so fine, let me, the time right now is 6:30 a.m. and Pooja is already in the house. So we have two people in, like we already know. One is Pooja, other is Rajesh, and if Sanat gets time out, he will be joining in as well. So we will be getting started with Pooja in the house first. So I'm launching her live. Hey Rahul, hi, nice to see you. Hey Sneha, hello everybody. So Jala is also in. Perfecto. Okay, Pooja, so I'm trying to get you online. Okay, let's see what more we have in our team, guys. We have some brilliant people with us. Everybody has a beautiful story to share, and let's see what. Hey, hi Pooja, nice to see you.
Hi, Tausif. Hi, everyone.
Okay, first of all, is the voice doubling, guys? Everybody, are you able to listen to her voice
I
two
think that
times? Yeah, Pooja, keep speaking.
I think that no. Am I right, guys?
Yeah, okay, so
Manisha sang.
it's clear for you, Pooja. Very good, very good, very good.
Yes.
Okay, so you chose a rooftop today, huh? The sky high.
Yeah,
Yeah.
actually, it's nice weather, so I thought like to sit here only, no?
Okay, that's good. That's pretty good. So, what do you have, Pooja? Yeah. So, how has your journey been? What were you doing, and how is it like? I think you were quite a morning person already. Like initially when we spoke, like 4 a.m.s and all that.
Uh,
I.
yeah,
Uh huh.
but right now I have changed my, lifestyle somewhat according to your life transformation journey. And right now I'm waking up at 5 o'clock or like that means getting mismatched
Okay. Okay.
with
Okay.
my lifestyle.
Hope it is good. Hope it is good.
Yeah, it is quite good.
Okay, that's nice. That's nice. Yes, Pooja. So yeah, go ahead. What exactly? Tell us something about yourself, who you are, what you are, and stuff.
Okay, well, I think that we meet earlier uh,
Mm-hmm.
in our last 28 days. So I should not introduce myself, but a quick intro. I'm Pooja Inamda and I'm working in Pune. Okay. So I think that before sharing my experience, I would like to tell here that two of personalities which is great for me in my life and why that I will let you know. First is Priyanka Chopra.
Mm-hmm.
People might laugh at me, but yes, she is a great personality for me. And the second is APJ Abdul Kalam. Why I get here the names of these two personalities is like Priyanka Chopra. She's she was having an aim to be an aeronautical engineer, but what she ended up with an actor, a producer, a writer, and a singer. So I think that sometimes it happens with our destiny. What we plan doesn't go according to that. Don't stuck there. Just be with the flow and be the best version of yourself. That's what I learned from Priyanka Chopra. And the
That's
second
pretty
thing I
good.
would like to
Yeah,
say over
that's
here is APJ
pretty good.
Abdul Kalam. Why he is a great person for me? Because the simplicity he carries. No matter, guys, what level you are, in which in which position you are, you should be very simple at your core. I'm not saying like you should not wear a stylish dresses, you should not wear like an a current trends and like that. But I think that yes, at core you should be simple, you should be honest, and you should be sincere. So just because of that, I started my morning with these great personalities. Like I want to share. That's it.
Okay, so very good, guys. So, guys, having some role models so that you can look up for, and like people have already done so much. So, pretty good thing to know. Like, okay, you're following like this one is Priyanka Chopra and other is the APJ Abdul Kalam. Awesome, really. And like what she's saying, guys, very valuable true stuff. At the core personality, you should be humble, kind. No matter how great you become in your life, but your core basic should always be grounded. Yeah, that's pretty good, Pooja. Yes, 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 yes.
Okay. And
Mm-hmm.
another thing, last time I was so nervous, like before in front of this Tausif, an energetic person, how
I
could
know.
I survive till, till whole talk? But today I was quite, confident more than last time because of Tausif only, because
Mhm.
he pushed me a lot and he said just like rocket, rocket and rocket. Let's see how
Don't
it go
launch,
till
don't
the end.
launch off the air. Okay, still stay grounded. Don't launch off the air like you'll eat me up as well otherwise. Okay.
Okay, well,
Mm-hmm.
when Tausif asked me to share some like experiences, I thought like from childhood days there are a number of experiences we get. No matter there are some times there are tough times, there are good times, there are bad times. Even means life is like that only. Even Ratan Tata said one time that life is like a kind of ups and downs, and even ECG says if there is a straight line, it is dead. So like life is like that. I think that yes, everyone has some ups and downs, and I don't think that we should make some dramas of tough times. But yes, I would like to share here one happiest moment of my life, which which gives me a lesson that you should have patience, no matter how sincerely you are following your dreams, your aims, but you should have patience. So that is what I am sharing over here. I
Okay.
think that it will not so boring.
Nah,
Hmm.
nah, it would be
Well,
really good. Patience is the key. We are very excited to learn. And you're saying it's the best, happiest moment of your life. It would carry definitely a lot of value, Pooja. Okay. Yeah, please add. Please add. What exactly?
okay. Thank you so much, Tausif. Actually, why I said that it can be a boring, because when we were in childhood days and we were in schools, principal used to come on stage and they were used to what share life experience and all, and no matter what experience they share, we just give a clap because she's a principal, no? So at the end of my life experiences, I don't need a fake comment like thank you and so much all. If you
Wait, wait,
really
wait,
like,
wait. You
just
pause here. Pooja, just pause there. Okay, so everybody, once Pooja is done, we are supposed to clap and say thank you. Okay, it's mandatory for everyone. Because she referred to the
okay.
principal at that time.
Well, okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So here is my experience. I was like in BCS third year, 2015 batch. I and the campus selection was there. Wipro company. Shank is laughing. Oh well, Shank. You can laugh. Okay. So it was like an
And
last
they
year
are
of my
laughing
BCS.
to the thing. They are laughing to that clapping wala thing. It goes a bit delayed. Okay. The
Yeah, yeah.
messaging.
Okay, okay, that's fine.
Okay. Chalo,
Okay.
get started.
So
Started.
it was 2015, and I was like a third year, pursuing third year, and it was campus selection of Wipro, where I was learning in Vivekanand College, Aurangabad. The
Mm-hmm.
campus selection was held in some another institute, that is Devgiri College. And I was like, I used to be on topper of my college. Means we
Mm-hmm.
3 to 4 guys were topper of our college. So every teachers were expecting from us that you should bang on the interview and you should get the first interview to be cracked. And I was like, yes, okay. Like Tausif said, yes, you can rock. I was like, same energy, yes, I can rock. But then suddenly things happened, and yeah, that taught me many lessons that day. What was the first round? As we all know, that aptitude was there, and I was bit bad in aptitude, but still somehow I manages and I cracked my aptitude. I was like, whoa! I stepped one. Uh, you know, means I got one success, that I cracked one round of my aptitude. And the
Proud. Yeah.
second thing was like Okay. The second thing was like group discussion, I guess, and everyone around me was like, "Pooja, you can rock this," because I'm quite a talkative person, and I know that once I get a chance, I'll be talking, talking, and talking. So it was a 10% of chances that I will not get cracked group discussion, and yes, my confidence wins, and I got selected in group discussion as well. The third round was like an technical round, which was in the next day. So in the entire means I went to my home. I told my parents that I got selected for two rounds, and they were so happy, and they wished me a luck for the next day. From childhood days, I'm just like that. If exams are there, I will not sleep at all entire night. I'll just do study, study, study. I'll do whatever I have studied in entire year. And these 3 years, whatever I learned in BCS, I just go through all that things, and I make myself for a next interview, like for an technical round.
Technical.
Okay.
Hmm?
So yeah, so the technical round started like from 9 a.m. till 4 a.m. There was a technical round, because at campus interview there are not only 10 or 12 members. There will be a huge mob, and people will just get removed
Yeah.
in the last round itself. So in first round, there was not that much removing of the person. So maybe there were 400 to 500 people, those who are giving interview for technical round in Aurangabad. Okay. So I was like around 3:30, the interviewer asked my name, and they took me inside the room. I was shaking myself. It was my first interview in 2015 BCS, and everyone was expecting from me. And like that expectation, make me somewhat nervous. And still, for a 10 second, I was nervous, and then I started like, whatever,
Hmm.
I will rock the
Pooja, the screen is stuck.
Okay. Now?
Pooja, wait, the screen is stuck. Hello,
Okay.
you're back. You're
Okay,
back.
okay.
Okay, so the last thing we heard was you were nervous for 10 minutes and after that you started with your flow. Yes, continue.
Okay. So yeah, the basic questions were there about CPP, about Java and all, and I was a bit good in that. So I rocked it. But one thing interviewer asked in after half an hour, it was a basic question, right? If I recall right now or today, it was very basic question, but interviewer just flipped that question like something confusing, and I was stuck. I was stuck for a while, and I was unable to give a proper answer for that question. It
Uh-huh.
was like, okay, okay, and I thought like, yes, I means before at times I gave many good answers to a question, so it was okay. And then yeah, my interview, like 45 minutes my interview was there in that for that Wipro company. And after that I just stepped out from the room. Okay. After half an hour, all the teachers were come from Devgiri colleges, all the those who are from campus selections and all, and from the Wipro company as well. We were gathered at a particular hall, one big hall, and they were announcing the names of the students, those who are getting selected in that third round. My name is so common, so 5 to 6 times I got to hear name Pooja, and I was like every time, wow. And the surname was different. The next time means they were saying that the last name, and I was, yes, it is me. But no, that was not my name, and unfortunately I didn't get a call from that Wipro company. And um teachers in the FGiri college, I was a bit nervous, but the last sentence that interviewer said that there are some persons, there are some students, those who are kept on hold. Currently we are not able to put here their names, but yes, they are in the on the hold, and maybe they will got a call for the next round, and it is HR round. It will be so introductory, and you will get in the Wipro company. It was not so hard. It will be not so hard. So I was like, okay, but inside my mind I was so nervous, because 3 to 4 members, those who are from my group, they all got selected. and only one of me was not selected, and I was the only who was encouraging everyone, and that time I was the only who was just means bit nervous, got upset, and everyone around me was laughing and smiling. Well, but somewhere inside my mind was like, yes, hope was there. I'll crack this interview, and yes, maybe I'll get a call from an interviewer. And the next round, as I told, HR round was after 4 days. I come in my house. I think that I'm not getting bored. Means you're not getting bored. So okay.
Part of this last thing, Pooja. So when they said ki there are some people on hold, so in that your name was there, and they said after
Uh,
4 days you would be going through the HR process. Okay,
okay.
okay,
No. They were not saying my name. They're just
okay,
saying that there are some person those will be getting mails because they are on hold. Currently, we
fine,
are not able to. Currently, we are not able to.
fine,
Take a decision. So
okay,
I come to my home. I
uh-huh,
come to my home, told entire story to my parents, and they were saying, just be relaxed, just be calm. In the first day, I was just every time I was opening my mailbox and checking the mail comes from Wipro or not. The first day went like that only. Not a single mail from Wipro came. The second day was the same. The third day was the same, and the fourth day after that there was an HR round. Till 7 p.m. I was just checking my mailbox, and no, not any single mail was there, and I was like cried that day like anything and like hell, because every means, you know what, there are some people those who are encouraging me, but there are some people also those who are saying just you just talk too much, you are somewhere you are lack for knowledge. And that day I was just taking means I was just thinking like a negative way, yes, maybe I talk too much, but I lack somewhere. And I discussed with my brother. He told, just relax, it was your first interview, just we will go and get ice cream and we'll do party because you bang on 2 rounds. And I was like, okay. I went to ice cream shop, we had ice creams and all, and suddenly at 9 p.m., it was the next day, there was a last round, and 9 p.m. my one of my Devgiri friend called, hey, I got a mail, just check once a mailbox. I said, no yaar, I didn't got. And at 9 p.m., it was 9 p.m., I just opened my mailbox and it was a mail from Wipro. And I was like, wow. Means I thought like, yes, I sincerely, followed my aims, followed my dreams. I just have taken my efforts. And somewhere back of my mind was there, yes, I will get an interview call. I didn't told that day to my father, because if the next round I didn't got selected, he will get disappointed. I'll just got ready in the next day. I got to the went to the HR interview, and there were like 100 to 120 people. And yes, I'm from means from my yes, I was like good in English, so there was no problem for HR round at all for me. And HR already told me that day only, yes, you'll get selected, no problem. What location you want? This much salary we are offering. If you are
mhm.
good, great with it, you can join Wipro company. And I was like, wow, I come means I didn't went to my college. I directly come to my home. I said to my parents, and that day, you know what? From childhood days, I used to have certificates. I used to have many trophies and all, sports and all. But never my parents showed me on my face that they feel proud of me. But the day I got selected in Wipro was the first day when my parents said to me that, yes, Pooja, we are proud of you. And it was the day when, you know what, and happy tears roll down from my eyes, that yes, no matter what you achieve, no matter whatever success you get, but the day your parents are feeling proud of yourself is the day you are getting everything in your life. So it was my life experience, and till now it is my happiest moment in my life. No matter the Wipro was offering me less amount of salary what today my company is offering me, but still that Wipro selection was, you know what, a kind of different moment for me. Actually, it taught me patience. I was sincerely following my success. I was sincerely giving my effort, but I was lacking somewhat patience, and life is testing me for that only, patience. So that day, I got to know you should not think about the outputs what you're getting. Just be practical. Just give your 100%. Just follow your efforts, hard work, and let the things happen itself. After getting ice cream, I got a mail. When I was there, totally inside the mailbox, I didn't, you know what? I didn't got anything. So that's it. It was my life experience, and I think that many of you are just fresher. All of you are just freshers, so you might get experience like these, or maybe you will going to fail in 2, 3, or 4 times. Even after completing my MCA, I get 20 to 30 times failed in interview, and then back to back I get offer letters from different companies. So guys, don't just be, you know what, just give you 100%. Don't scared, be patient, and follow your efforts and dreams. That's what I learned from this experience.
That's truly marvelous, Pooja. That's really awesome to listen. And yes, it would help a lot of people. Okay, everybody in the house, there are so many learnings to take from her. Seriously, so many learnings to take from her. Okay, not just the result part, or even like, yeah, patience, the core values or what she learned out of this experience, she has already summarized. But there is a way deeper thing, which I think she didn't cover it as a proper summary format. Okay, the expectations of the world, the expectations which you have from yourself, and that is going to cripple you someday, guys. Okay, what you believe, like she was like, I was pumping other people that it is going to happen, but the pointer when it is on you, right, then how you react. When the world, like some people praising you, some people discouraging you, then how you react. And guys, this is what is life about. Okay, you might get successful, you might get this, you might get that, but there would always be people who would pointing things at you. Okay, whenever I hear about people talking about, like, okay, son of Sachin Tendulkar, or like son of Amitabh Bachchan, right, huge expectations. It's not like they would feel someday like, why am I son of such a great personality which I can never compete. Because the world is like that, guys. They will always compare you, they will have so high targets. That's life. You need to have a very strong mindset so that you can overcome such problems. Okay, because if you're not able to deal with that, you would actually be shattered and broken inside. And I think Pooja went through
Correct.
that phase. Luckily, she got very nicely out of that. That ice cream saved her life, and thank God Wipro actually dropped an email.
Yeah, really.
You can imagine the point ki she went to that extent ki when she was going to the fourth day for HR round, she didn't even tell to her father. Why? Because
Yeah.
again, expectations. She's again talking about expectation there. What will his father think if she doesn't get a job? Guys, I think Pooja, you have set really very high targets for yourself. But understand that can cause you troubles, okay? Hope
Okay.
you have to learn from these things. You have to learn from these things. Otherwise, life is not always straight way. You already know that it's through ups and downs, highs and lows. A lot of surprises will keep coming. Okay, you have to take it on your face. It's okay. But eventually, the results was good. Okay, so this was one great learning which everybody in the house mandatory to know. Life is going to throw you a lot of things, but you need to be cool, calm to navigate your life through it. Now, the second thing, Pooja was patient, things happened, she got the job. And the second part, actually, which she summarized in a very quick one last statement, I think there is a lot of value in that as well. The core thing she explained very nicely, but the last section, what she said, after completing the masters, so she further went down, completed the masters. After doing that, she specified one thing, she faced so many interviews where she again faced rejections, right, Pooja?
Yeah.
And how many companies
And
or
Nataraj
interviews?
sir knows that entire story, how I faced, means not like entire interviews I was failing, but after 2 rounds, after 1 round, I was like failing every time.
Yeah, so guys, this kind of phase can also come. She is a star. Okay, again, Pooja, don't say try, use things. She is
No,
a
no.
great personality throughout the schooling, college, a topper of the batch, and like in the top kind of zones always. Okay. Now the market, the world, the teachers, the parents, everybody's like Pooja is going to do something, something. Because of that, Pooja has set up a very high targets for herself. Okay, that happens with everybody. Okay, there was a phase. I have not shared it with anybody, but since it is relating, I want to tell it today. Okay, I was also a pretty good one from my college. Okay, and then what happened, there was a phase like I was like way too overconfident in life, way too overconfident. Okay, way too overconfident. I used to like go in the mirror, look into my eyes, and I just used to say, I am the king of the world and I am going to rule this world. This is how I boosted myself. That this is Tausif. I am about to enter into this world after the college and I will be ruling it. Okay? That was my epic confidence as well. And then life showed me. Life showed me black and blue. And that statement I never repeated after that. Because then I know ki there is a long way to go no matter how big I grow. And I think that learning was required for that statement, that mindset was 10 years ago when I was in the year 2010. At that time I said that, and then the life showed me, okay, who is the boss, who is in control. And then I said, okay, fine, let's make through it more responsibly. Life is not that cheap, you have to value and all those things. I think very good. And the last part what she said, again I want to just summarize that as well. After completing the MCA, she passed through so many interview process, and still there were on off, first few rounds getting cleared, but the final, some struggle with that happened. Okay, so Pooja faced through that. There were a lot of she felt bad. Okay, she took a stand. I know that that phase also might be a lot of troubling one. Okay, Pooja, let's not get there again. But I know that phase might also be tough for you. It would be tough for you. But she again was persistent, guys. She passed so many interviews, faced that, and that made her, I think, more stronger. And then the end result, she says, like she got so many offers from so many companies, lot of things to learn. Life is going to throw you through so many challenges. Life is always going to do that, guys. You need to accept that's how life is. But the people who face it and overcome it, they become somebody like Pooja Inamdar. Okay? Had somebody who would have given up in life, you never know, guys, how people take on these situations. But you have to stand up your ground. Let the storm come. You hold there. It will pass away. Phases will improve. The best part with time is it changes. And it changed for Pooja, and I know it is going to change for everybody in the house as well. Okay. Thanks, Pooja. That really means a lot. And I think you have given the right guidance because all these people will be passing through the same phase. And now, I recently, like in Messenger, already I'm getting some messages like with this Corona. When I'm reading about IT people like laying off and all that, I'm actually scared. Is IT the right place? Now the panic situation is even more in the market. Okay. But guys, have patience.
Yeah.
Things will work out. And Pooja is a living example of that. Okay, thanks Pooja for sharing your stuff. It was truly amazing time to know your story, and I think it would be guiding a lot. And people are saying thank you. I don't know it's a formality or genuine.
Thank you so much.
It's
Okay, the
genuine.
last thing I would like to share, and I will leave today with these
Mm-hmm.
three things. I think that the three things in life are much more important. No matter how big or how small your goals are, pursue that with consistency, with great efforts, and with honesty and sincerity.
Listen, guys,
The
this
sec-
is life conclusions which she is drawing. Okay, life conclusions which she is giving. Don't just take it casual and leave it, guys. There could be meaning in every word of this. Okay, you can apply that, and your life can actually change. Yes, Pooja, go ahead. Again, repeat the first one.
the first thing means I follow these things. I
Just
think that
say.
these three are important in life. No matter how big, how small your goals are, just be confident, be pursue that with consistency, your efforts and sincerity and honesty. Things will come and you will rock the situation and you will get success for sure. The second thing I would like to put out here is be a human. No matter how hard situations are, you should not pull anyone. You should be always an human. You should be always a good inside. No matter how great you achieve your position, but you should means as one of our affirmations say, my success is not affecting others. You should not affect others while getting your success. So you should be a human. And the third and the last important thing I would like to say over here, that be happy. Whatever you do, whatever you perceive, if you are happy inside you, then nothing can stop you. And there is no price for unhappiness. So just be happy. And with the last sentence, I would like to say here that no matter what you learn here will matter, but what you take out of here will matter a lot from this life transformation journey. So all the best, and
So
not for just only 1 or 2 months you get from here, but make out of it something. Thank you.
that's awesome, Pooja. That's awesome. Thank you for these all words. Okay, really means a lot. Thank you, Pooja. Thank you. And guys,
Thank
I'd
you,
just like
Tausi. Thank you.
2 minutes. I'll just like to say 2 minutes about. She has not covered one area again. Like, dekho guys, I've been like talking to people. Like, we have been into this life transformation. I'm trying to talk to people, know something about themselves as well. So I was in touch with a lot of other people. So I was also in touch with Pooja and trying to understand. Guys, there were a few things like she used to wake up at 4 a.m. in the mornings. Okay, reading books. Now her personality, like following the role models and all, you can understand already like what kind of a person. She has not covered all that, but that I feel is huge value. Okay, the other thing, she spends a lot of times in old age homes, like very repeatedly. I think on her every birthday she goes there, tries to contribute something to that part as well. Okay, and guys, that's where comes the second statement: be a human. Okay, be caring, be a human. There is this other side as well. So there is a lot to learn. Then there are like people like Pooja in this world who would change the world as well. Yeah. Thank you for what. Thank you for what you are. Okay. Chalo, bye bye. It was great talking to you. Truly amazing, truly miracle. Thank you, Pooja. Bye bye.
Thank you,
Yep.
Tausif. Thank you all.
Bye.
Bye.
Guys, that was Pooja Inamdar. Yes, a lot of learnings, guys, and these are the people who we are living at every day with. Okay, we have been in so much of connection since past 28 plus these 7 days of time, and these are the personalities which are right among us. We don't need to actually follow the very greatest of it. The common people, you, me, we are great. Okay, and we need to learn from each other. Just see how wonderful the society is going to become if we learn from all these things which is around us. And that is truly miracle, guys. Truly amazing to be in your group, guys. A lot of things to learn for everyone. Everyone. Okay, everybody is in a great learning journey. Now let's switch on to the second life experience session, and that's from Rajesh. Okay, Rajesh, so I'm bringing you in. Let's see what is there in your house. Rajesh. Okay, Rajesh. Sending a request. Hey, what happened, Rajesh? It was connecting and immediately dropped a message. Rajesh left. Did something go wrong at your side? Sending it again. Sending it again. Let's see. Today is Sunday, guys. This is bright and wonderful morning. Yes? Bright, wonderful morning. Learnings from people coming. Hey, why is this? Waiting for Rajesh. Waiting for Rajesh. Okay. Hey Rajesh, I'm not able to connect to you, man. As soon as it is connecting, it's dropping you away. Can you send a request to me? Ask for like joining to this call. I'll accept your invitation. Okay. Oh.
Hello.
Hey. Hey, hi Rajesh.
Hello, Tausif sir. How are you?
Arey yaar, the voice is doubling.
Uh,
Rajesh, can you please get the headphone?
okay. Yes, I remove my headphone.
No.
Just
Hello.
yes, yes.
No,
I
you have to
remove
attach
my
it.
yes.
You have to attach
Okay.
it.
Okay. I think little bit network problem.
Network is fine.
Network is
I think the
fine.
voice is
I think the
good.
voice is good.
Plug it in and
Plug
talk
it in
via.
and talk via.
So that's the thing, guys. Whoever voice. Now it's better. Yeah, Rajesh,
I
can you hear
think
me?
yes, I will
Perfect.
hear you. Okay.
Perfect, perfect. Your voice is
So
also clear. All
okay,
good.
thank you.
Hey,
Thank
hi
you.
Rajesh. So
So,
nice to see you, man, after a long time.
okay. Okay, thank
So how
you.
is it happening?
Yes, everything is fine. Actually, I saw you in our Notrasar classes. So
Okay.
when I
He's
attend
straight
your
away
class,
getting into the topic, guys. Guys, he's straight away onto the mission. I want to complete this much and I will complete this much. Love your spirit. Okay,
okay.
okay. So you saw me in a Trasser class. Okay, fine. Go ahead.
Yes. So main thing is in my life, I attending life changing life transformation session. So actually, I saw the changes when Corona is started. You can't believe
Uh-huh.
I saw your video. That is, I think you recorded in morning 5 a.m. You tell that why people are feeling pandemic, why people are feeling like this, rushing here and there. So I feel yes, it is a situation to handle very coolly. I feel like that, but real life it's not happened. So I also attend your first live transformation session. But what
Uh-huh.
happened initially? My PGs, uh, PG peoples are running here and there. I also feel like that, and my food processing, what the people provided, that also stopped. I also suddenly feel like what I eat in whole day. So I just searching here and there. I arrange some gas and all the cookers like that. So I spend like 15 days. After that, I tell to myself, yes, I overcome little bit that situation. After that, you can't believe morning to evening, I continuously watch Corona related video. What happened? What happened? In fact, I
Yes.
called to my family also. My father, my mother, my brother, everyone scared. I'm not getting food. How can I manage? So anyhow I contact one of my friend, and but he told that if any problem come to my room, and my PG owner not allowed outsider, but I will give some food. So that problem is overcome by arranging uh, something. After that, when I attending your session, so I saw my changes like I have not confident like you can't believe at that time if one person watching morning to night Corona related video, my thought process only going like that. So I just not confident. I very less confident. You can't believe. I believe in blind thinking. They people talking like economic export, IT export. IT is not grow like that. But I that is not real thing, because I also attend 2 3 interview, and I also crack in 3 interview in manager round, and I uh, not able to overcome that. But yes, I attend that. So I feel those are not valuable.
So market is
Words.
consuming, right, Rajesh? So you
Yes,
already passed through 3 interviews in this duration of Corona and all, and you passed through very
yes,
good for the state. Guys, understand this is again reality. But in media and news and all those, they always try to portray the negative side of things, and that's where people
yes,
face the problems. Yeah, Rajesh, go ahead, keep
yes.
adding.
After that, everything is fine. I attend your live transformation session. I wake up 9 a.m. But now I am 5 a.m. because I believe I will stick very much strict about me, because I feel if I lost 1 minute, then it is big loss for me. So I always trying to make up my time. I I doing my work very fast because when I wake up, I'm directly not going to meditate. I doing some little bit exercise, means bed exercise. After that, other things I completed like that. So I feel nowadays after attending your session, I feel like confident. हाँ दम है बातों में. I think
दम है,
I
बंदे में
can
दम है
not.
राजेश, बंदे में दम है, सही है भाई.
Yeah. It's not like I just tell that. I recently, one of my friend, one of my brother, I suggest like you not waking up in morning. It's very bad. He understand my words, and in morning he also message me, thank you Rajesh. So I feel he wake up in morning. And
Super, super.
before 2 days, I also tell my sister. He's also very feel this situation is very pandemic. She also feel like that. So I suggest like this happened, this happened with me. So don't believe anyone. Just be practical. So you can get a certain conclusion, and your mind will be clear. So that is the fine.
Super,
And
super.
yes,
Awesome,
yes.
guys. So
So
everybody take that learning out of this, okay? Yeah, we'll just take a small pause here, Rajesh, okay? Guys, very
okay.
important learning. The world likes to showcase only the negative aspects. We already have spoken about it. And as part of life transformation, there was one thing which many successful or the big people, they just go for a news fast. Guys, it's very important of what you are feeding to your brain, guys. What you are feeding to your brain is a very tough thing. Like his situation, he's saying from morning till evening, he was feeding about corona, what problems. And his zone was completely like what is going to happen. A panic inside the body also will run. You have to be very careful of what thoughts you are getting inside. And this is not just one person's problem. Right now, everybody is having the similar stuff. Okay. But you know what? Honestly, it has been more than 30 days. I have not even read anything about how Corona is going right now. Just in my not in interviews, in my internal team meetings and all, I just ask people, and that is only for a minute or two, just to get awareness from them, because I know that if I expose my mind to such negative aspects, देखो guys, whether you know it or not, the situation would remain like that, and we have closed ourselves inside. We cannot do anything better than this. When our work is done, why to panic? Okay, that's where I've, since past 30 plus days, I've not even thought about what's happening. I'm like, okay, we are in the zone, people are trying to take it, there are a lot of wrong things happening, I know that. But as a person, we cannot change all of a sudden miracle. It will take some time and it will get better by itself. So I have parted myself away so that I don't get the trouble of all that. Okay, and I maybe my mind is not that strong enough right now so that I can face it and still guard it through. But I think that's where everybody is. We are all very soft-minded people as well at the same time. Okay, we all get affected with these things because there is human emotion feeding in all of us. So understand this fact. My way of doing is part it away. And now Rajesh is saying there was so much things in the news. Market will happen, IT will go, this, that, and all. Because of that, he was further into a panic situation, and not just his family as well. But then he faced the reality of life, still getting calls, cracking through it, going through the very final stages of that. Then he drew that conclusions. Yes, whatever is there in the news, that is crap, that's bullshit, you should not believe in that. And then he took that stand and gave it further to the family. And this is one was the initiative, Rajesh, when I decided of doing life transformation, because I wanted to give some different thought process to people to get busy with as well. Okay, so very good that you were affected, and not just you even gave it to your brothers, your sisters, your family, and I think they are applying it as well. So that's really remarkable. Okay, awesome to know that.
Yes.
Yes, Rajesh, yes, continue.
Yes, I also like to thanks in this group, because the people messaging in group, I wake up in that time and messaging good morning. I feel like I am lazy, so I boost myself. Yes, I can wake up more earlier, and I have a plan also specific, because I just add week wise. This week 5 a.m. After that 4:45, after that 4:30. I have a plan. So I
Targets,
definitely
nice.
definitely
Very good.
I achieved it, because I know that morning value, because it so much productive. It's give lot of energy. And one day I think I message you, you know that when I attend fast morning meditation thing, when you talking about nature,
Hmm.
suddenly I feel like energy. I don't know what is that. I feel like nose to brain, and I feel entire body. I feel like 3 seconds. I know that I just, I don't know what is that, but that is very much energetic. I never feel before like that. So I feel, yes, something is there in morning. That's why people are growing like this. So that's why I feel like that from that meditation. So yes.
Yeah.
So when, yes,
Guys,
yes,
just one thing. So what he said is, okay, when we did that meditation for the very first time, okay, at that time I was running through some instructions, some process, this and that. So that was like involvement from Rajesh side was so deep, okay, that he was actually practically doing all that and breathing it through and all. And then he says, for a duration of 3 seconds, a different kind of energy just ran through his body when we were discussing about that nature. I think he connected his brain so strongly when he was taking that deep breath. It just ran from his brain to your entire body. Guys, we don't know how powerful our mechanism is. Our brain, our body, this is the most beautiful machinery on this planet which runs so effectively. Okay, we as a human are trying to put this, that, and all, but the most sophisticated piece is here. We don't know its true potential and things, which Rajesh had a glimpse on that day. Like there could be a thrilling thing, and then he drew a conclusion. There is magic in morning, and from that he was like, okay, let me do it again. Very good, Rajesh. These are the learnings. Your personal experiences, pretty good, Rajesh. Okay, yeah,
yes.
keep adding, man.
Yes, so when I coming to my life changing, life inspiration, what I inspired me. So actually, when I am earlier that I'm not like fit, and before I talking about 2013-14, I am very fat. So people telling like in our hostel, you are the person who is second fat man, so like that. And when I was fat, my family people also, my mother also one day telling like that, he's so fat, he can't do like do he can't handle this work, like one everything. And suddenly every people pinching me. So I don't know why they people, but I hearted two things. One is one day all my pigs seeing my sister suddenly paused and tell it, bro, please take less food. So I feel he's is small. He's a small kid, but he telling that, bro, taking less food means he also she also feel like I'm fat. And after that, when I am come to my hostel, I tell that I wake up in 9 a.m. So it's very bad situation, because when we not taking food from the 6 to 9, that creates inside damage inside our body. So I faced medical related problem. I taking medicines, like everyday medicines for digestion. So suddenly I feel this is the problem actually. uh, I'm not doing workout, I'm very fat. I committed myself, yes, I can do, mm, at least I lose my weight. So I started my workout, and that is also from before sunrise, means 5:45. Before 5:45 we reached gym and doing workout. And hostel people's little bit friends like disturbing, like I'm not sleep properly in night also. But I
Mm.
continue after
Mm.
completing my class, I will sleep. And after that I continuing gym at least 4 months. After that I got conclusion, people are saying that I lose my weight. That is completely bluffing you, means the people not saying true things, the people doing something else. I feel like that. So I also feel, I also lose my confidence, and I also lose my belief also. So after doing 6 months, suddenly my body will change. So I was shocked. After 6 months, actually continuously, I'm not going. At that time, I'm not gone my home. Suddenly, I go to my home. My brother and everyone watching me like, what happened? My mother shocked.
Hey, internet,
You
internet.
take.
Wait, internet. Repeat that last
I
statement.
think
Hello, it's hello,
yes.
Rajesh.
Hello,
Yes. Nah,
hello,
it's stucking. Hello,
hello.
can you drop and come back, Rajesh? Can you drop and come back? It's stucking every time. Now it's good. It's hello. Send the request again, guys. That's life. Things doesn't change, but when it changes for the whole lot better. Yes, this is how it works. You need to learn from all this, guys. Consistency. You need to keep doing it, keep doing it. There would be a breakthrough time coming, and it comes for everybody. Had he stopped in fourth month, had he stopped in fifth month, had he stopped in fifth month and the 29th day, guys, understand what game we are playing with life. It is not a short term game. We play for long.
Yes, I think
Yeah,
now
you're
internet
all
is
good.
good.
Yeah, continue from your
Okay.
sixth month breakdown. What happened?
Okay.
How
After
much
that,
big was the difference? How big was the difference? Old you versus new you. How big that was?
you can't believe I lose my weight at least 5 kg, and
Mm-hmm.
I have my pant size is that is 34, but suddenly it's come 30. Means imagine how much I lose
Four
my weight.
inches.
So actually, at that time, I have only my thought process only like. Actually some problems happened because of that also affected, because when we started my workout in initial days, I faced problem like, one problem is my one of I lost my laptop, I lost my mobile I lost my mobile inside that gym also, in between 6 months. After that, yes, my family problems happened. I feel pressure from my family, and my brother also changed his job. So lot of pressure happened, but I continuing my gym, and continuously I doing workout in home. So I'm not thinking about result, just I uh, doing workout, I feel proud. Yes, I do something in this day. So I day by day, suddenly it gives sudden result. I'm not believe within 1 month I feel like that. So I feel yes, it's working. So I last actually today is my special day, because I started gym from this month, means after
2019.
2014.
Acha. Okay. Hmm.
2014 to still 2020, i'm uh, I'm continuing like workout. And
Man, that's some serious stuff. Awesome. 6 years. Six
so
years, Rajesh.
yes,
Brilliant.
it's completed. So not only workout, actually in life phase I also know that every problem, when problem comes, but just you know that how to overcome that. So do continuous that continue that work whatever you doing like that. Like I have a belief, actually. Suddenly I completed my Notre Sir classes in May. After that I did Spring Boot microservice courses, and after that I suddenly face family problem, medical related. I actually handled it. After that, I came back in November. And November, from November, this is May. May still I'm not getting any job, but I confident because I cracking one by first time I'm not able to cross first round. Second time I'm not able to cracking second round. After second, I got the managerial round. Uh, I that is the struggle.
It's improving.
Yes,
It's
day by
improving.
day improving. So I
Good.
feel like
Good.
mm, whatever the situation like corona or other thing, if you not if I not continuing that, then I'm
Mhm.
not able to
Mhm.
achieve.
Mhm.
So
Yes.
this is the main
Yes.
thing I continuously. So in my 6 year journey of workout, I learn many things. Nowadays, actually, gym or other things are closed. But one thing, remember, if you committed to workout, so you can do anything. So fitness doesn't mean you go to gym and workout. Fitness means whatever you like to move your body. Means sweat. You just feel your sweaty body. So like that. So I feel like that. So I
Yes.
doing I take different experience also. Yes, it is a pandemic situation. Yes, it is a critical situation, but I can do another thing to take another experience and feel happy. So that is the at the difficult situation. If you're not accepting, then it's happened like that. And yes, like this is my inspiration thing. So I
Super.
want to share my one study related thing because cont- uh, all of I'm not, I feel actually people are telling that कि I'm not a good student, I'm not remembering anything. I also I'm not believing those words because first thing I know how much I'm doing work means work means how much I studies and what I doing.
Hard work. Yes.
I know that. So when in academic study, I one seminar happened. So you can't believe every seminar I asking question because I know this is the response. If someone sharing something, if you not giving response, like not asking question, not telling like related something, I feel like that. So no one is standing in front of that more than 500 400 people, sometimes it's
Mhm.
200 people, but I stand up and asking random question anything. Second thing, I face big problem. One seminar happened between me means one section with another section. So when start telling that who will give ready to give the attend this seminar, so I just wake up, I just raise my hand telling that yes, I can do, sir. Sir also confidently, yes Rajesh, you can do it. But reality is completely different. Suddenly actually I just watched how giving seminar. I watched wrong video. So just prepared they prepared one PDF file, just drop one by one. After that they giving seminar whatever the content they describe. But when you going to seminar, you just prepare proper document. Through that document you will describe total people and asking question with communicate with each other and without aggression, and you handle with very smile face and like that. So I am at that time I am very aggressive person. So in when I
Ah.
attend the interview, suddenly I am the first person. So at that seminar time, in front of the 200 people, first person. So I started my PDF file. At that time, whatever I tell, it is completely mismatched with that document, and no point between my word and that document. So sir tell that what is this, you just do
Wait, Rajesh, just hold on. The countdown is running. I think this live session is going to terminate in 10 seconds. Okay. So I'll immediately cut it and launch it again. Okay.
okay, sure.
I think we should do something when we are switching from one person to another person. Now we need to relaunch it. Okay, chalo, I'm coming back.
Okay.
Bye.
Okay.
It will end.